Hi guys, my name is Azhar and you're watching my YouTube channel Azhar Sasi. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool product which is a mini robot, but it's a vacuum cleaner. I was in my friend's place and suddenly he told that to move from the floor, it's going to start. I was so surprised to see this amazing device and I wanted to share with you guys. So here's the robo cum vacuum cleaner which you will need to replace your maid. If you have this at your home, you don't need a maid anymore. So let's see how this works and what all this little magical thing here does to your house. Let's see. Vamos. It's usually scheduled at 4:30 and it's about to start. It's almost 4:30 now. So it's starting. So that's its charging point from where it has come out. So let's see what all it does. Firstly, this thing works by marking all the boundaries of the house. It starts from its place, it comes out and it tries to identify the boundaries where it can clean. So this entire thing was set up in an application in mobile. This, by the way, this product is from MI, and all this scheduling and stuff is done through an app which is easily done in a Android, or like it even works for iPhone, I guess. Like I said, now it's marking its territory, which is borders. Like this is so cool because this is the thing we do while we draw something. Like if you want to paint or color something, first we'll draw the boundaries, then we'll color the image that we want to do. So right now it's marking the boundaries. This machine is set up for alternate plans. Like one day it will clean only the hall, the other days it will clean the other rooms as well. So I think today is the day which it's going to just clean only the hall, but I'll also show how does it clean the other rooms as well. For your benefit, we'll want to show how it cleans the other rooms as well. So I'll be showing all those things in this video. The thing I love about this device is like it detects each and everything. It understands what's it hitting and like behaves according to that. So if you are sitting, it doesn't matter, like it will do its own job. And good thing is it can go underneath any furniture that you have in your house. Let's see if this goes inside this. I don't think the size of it will go inside this table here, so it's not going to take the risk. And I think it didn't go in because the legs of the table like were an obstacle for this amazing cool vacuum cleaner. So it's about to complete its marcation of the boundaries. So this is the genius guy who found this product and introduced it to me. So I'm introducing it to you guys. So tell me how it works. Like, can you show that in your phone? Yeah.
So when you basically kind of start using it for the very first time, it kind of go around the house and come up with a plan for the house. Basically come up with this kind of a segment which you can actually modify, because sometimes it may not really get the room separate. So for example, it can take these areas like one room or two, so that you decide when you want it and cut it. So once it comes up with a basic skeleton of the room, you can customize it. There is an editor which allow you to kind of customize what you want to do.
So if you see the black dot, that's where it is roaming, right?
Yeah.
So there it is. Yo, and what are those red lines?
So the red lines are the areas where the device is not allowed to cross. So for example, this is a door. So even if the door is open, I don't want the robot to go out. Or this is like a kitchen, probably a wet area, so I don't want it to step into that area. So wherever you make a red line, the robot is not allowed to cross those lines.
And where is our kitchen?
So the kitchen is this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So why do you have a red line over there?
So it's basically this area where you keep the garbage mostly. So when you keep the garbage or other things, the vacuum is quite strong that it might pull the bags across. So that area is basically secluded from the virus. The robot to go inside and take that area like free.
Okay. So since how long have you been using this?
I've been using it for 2 years. So I had like an earlier version when it was not available in India, which I got from outside. And at that point the service was not available. So officially this was launched in India last year.
Okay.
So when I got it, I got a newer one.
So this is from MI?
Yes.
And what's the price of it?
Currently it's available for 25,000.
Okay. We can order it online.
Yeah, you can
Amazon.
get it online.
Yeah. So let's do this calculation. So is this worth replacing a maid? So does this do only like vacuuming or it does mopping as well?
No, it can do both vacuuming and mopping. So depending on the kind of container which you put in, there are two different kind of containers. So one basically can take the water and then you need to attach a mopping cloth along with it. Then it can basically do vacuum and mopping together.
But you have only set it up for...
Yeah, because I manually mop it once a week.
Okay.
Because I don't really have a use case where I need to mop it on a daily basis. It's pretty clean. As long as the dust is taken, it's clean. On the other hand, if you're doing the mopping along with it, you basically have to change the container and the water much more frequent.
Okay.
Because the container will get empty almost in 3 days time in my use case. But on the case when it's doing only the vacuuming, it can last almost 3 weeks. So I need to do something manually only once in 3 weeks.
It even cleans the mat?
Yeah.
Okay. It got stuck? A bug?
No, it will work out. It's basically the cut exactly fall on the machine where it fell.
Okay.
Mostly it will work out.
So this works even when there is nobody at home, right?
Yeah.
So let's see how it recovers.
Yeah, usually it recovers.
Come on, we are shooting you.
Yeah.
Wow.
It tried many combinations and finally it's cross-checking if everything is fine or not. Went in, it didn't see you there, right? So it's a little confused.
Oh, it didn't see me.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So,
also, you moved the mat a little bit, right?
yeah, when it's marked, no, it should be fine. It just takes some time to through it.
Okay.
No, it goes there. It's cleaning only the square now.
No, when it marked the boundaries, why did it get stuck? Because you moved the mat, that's why?
No, it basically that cut, whatever the cut was there, the cut and that corner cut came at the same point. So it kind of got locked on that.
Okay. So again it will go and this time it won't get stuck?
No, should not. It kind of adapt.
Let's see.
Yeah. Didn't know last time where it's screwed up.
Yeah. Wow,
Now
amazing.
it's going to the other place.
Where is it going now? To back.
These areas are like one is kitchen and one is outside. It's going to kitchen.
Okay. Show the phone. Like, which one is left out?
Kitchen, this area.
Okay. Yeah, right. So all the lines that has been covered, and the empty places without lines are not covered.
Yeah.
So you don't move any of those things, right?
No, I don't need to. It
The
can
beanbag,
see all of them. Even it's like it's coming to
ellipse.
my leg right now.
Yeah.
It can actually see it and then.
So it will touch your leg,
yeah,
identify.
then it moves, yeah.
Okay.
And since it does every day, even if like there is a small person which is missed today, it will be covered on the next day.
So this is like artificial intelligence, I guess.
Yeah, it is. Yes.
Yeah. So now it's cleaning the room. Like after taking the borders.
Correct. It's filling the area within the boundary.
Yeah.
So it's loading.
So what are the lines that
That's the area where the vacuum has passed so far.
Okay,
So the boundary is the white line which set. Now it's cleaning everything which is inside it.
Okay, the white lines are the boundaries and the straight lines are the places where it has
Cleaned up. Yes.
cleaned up. Okay. Now it's marking the boundaries of the kitchen.
Time which is rotating, it will take everything in the corner. There is a rotating step brush on the corner.
Yeah, yeah.
Cleans the corners.
Oh, okay.
So it kind of get everything into the middle.
This brush cleans the corners. Okay.
So whatever is in the corner, it will be actually brushed into the middle, and middle will be vacuumed in.
Okay. Show the kitchen's red line in the phone. It's not going to the sides because sometimes this floor may be damp or some garbage might be there. So it's not going to the corner since we already drew.
So it's kind of it's marked as a red area.
This red line, this red line is the kitchen's red line with the garbage bag and sometimes it gets damp.
So basically the machine is not allowed to cross the red lines.
Yeah. So you told that it's 25k. Let's suppose we have a maid who does the sweeping and mopping stuff. And like how much would you pay for a maid per month? Like
no, you cannot really look at the cost in that way, primarily because of the convenience. You don't have a dependency.
Yeah.
And even when you work or any other thing, you just need to schedule a time. It will do the cleaning at that particular time. And it's always reliable, like it is going to do every day at the given time. As well as it cleans better than a maid in my personal use case.
Okay.
Especially on the situations like it can go under a coat and clean it up. Or go under a rack, which the maids usually would not do it.
yeah.
So that way in terms of the quality of cleaning, and also like when maid does it, it's basically a mop which kind of they are kind of trying to spread it around, kind of segregate everything. Like I mean they kind of use a broom and then brush it off.
Yeah.
Here it's actually using a suction, it's a vacuum, so it's kind of picking everything and it going inside.
And it touches the corners as well.
Correct. So it has a brush which is rotating, so that everything in the corner will be put into the middle of the way it travels through, and from the middle it will pick.
So this does not take any leaves. It always starts on time, 4:30.
Yes.
Like even if you are there at home, if you are not
there, that's the point.
yeah, that's not a problem.
Correct.
You can work anytime.
Yes.
Now it's done with the cleanup work, so it's going back to its original location.
I just checking what it is back.
Yeah.
The strength of it, whether I can move it or
Yeah. Oh, it can also move things.
Yeah, it's checking. So it's confirmed. Okay, it cannot be moved. So
Okay. So it hits again and again to check how can it tackle the next time. So that's the charging point of this cool machine vacuum cleaner. So we don't have to put for charging manually, it will take care of itself. See, that's the place where it gets charged, and it goes there and it gets stuck itself. No manual intervention needed, and it's off. Like it's like Teletubbies. Like in Teletubbies we see, right, with there's one vacuum that
even like when you are done with it, like when you have dust and other stuff, you can basically open it up, and this is the container, so you just take it off, clean it and put it back. That's it.
Like how big is that?
This whole thing.
Okay.
The box. Like if I take it, it might have dust now.
Okay, alright, yeah. So what do you think, guys? I told you the price, I told you the brand, I told you where to buy this, and we have seen all the features of it and how it works. So would you think that you would go for this device instead of your maid? Please let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any other questions about this device and you want to know how this works, where to buy, the links, everything, please let me know in the comments. I'll share all those details. Are there any vacuum machines that you're already using which is worth to this? If yes, please let me know. We would love to check those as well. Please let me know what you think about this video and about this cool machine. If you have any questions, please put them on the comment section. I would love to answer those. I'm gonna let this machine complete its work, cleaning this hall, this kitchen and the rooms, and it's going to take a while now. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please don't forget to share this video with someone who would love to see this product. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get more such cool videos. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.